You can just turn your ends like I did and make a hole into to the middle of the braid, and then you started. Just like that, you started to braid. And you continue to braid and braid and braid. So I'm going to get to the rubber band lovers just now in just a sec. Hold on. I'm going to get to you guys, okay? And you continue to braid and braid and braid. And that's it, guys. Look at the blue. And that's it. Let's go again. And this time we're going to use the blonde. Let's go. So it's easier for you guys to try this at home, okay, guys? Thank you so much, Trey. Thank you so much, Johnny. Thank you so much, Caribbean Girl. Thank you so much, Thank you so much, Lisa. Say hey. Thank you guys so much. And you can say where you're streaming from. I'm going to give you a shout out, okay? Oh, man. Jeanette, thank you so much for joining. Appreciate you, Jeanette. Appreciate you joining the live today. So yes, guys, let's go to the blonde, okay? So if you have a color in your mind, guys, you can just put it in the chat, guys. Make sure you put it in the chat. Let's go. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you. Appreciate you, guys. So we have some blonde hair. And then we have some right here. So now we're going to brush it out, okay? We're going to brush it out to get started. And I'm going to let me do a rubber band method there for you guys. So if you don't want to do it like the way that I did it just now, I'm going to show you how you can use a rubber band. And remember, the bigger you go, guys, the more hair you have to, like, make sure you purchase like 4 packs of hair. You always want to leave hair behind. You don't want to run out of hair, okay? So it's better you to leave back some hair than you got to go back to the beauty supply, okay? So here is the rubber band. So look at the rubber band, guys, and this one is for you. And then we're going to split the hair into 2. Let's split the hair into 2, guys. Okay, let me see who's there. Watching from Austria, you're delightful. Thank you so much, user. Thank you. Appreciate you, user. Appreciate you. Thank you for joining. And share Proverbs. American, good evening. Good evening, American. Thank you for joining. Split. Now we're going to split it into 2. Let's split it into 2, guys. So make sure you split it into 2 equal parts, okay? So now what we're going to do, we're going to put one to sit, and then the other, look what we're going to do, okay? Make sure it's in the same length because you don't want your braid to be loppy. Take it, place the hair, and then you grab on both sides of your natural hair, and you get your rubber band. Here's the rubber band. And now you're going to secure. So we're doing the jumbo braids, okay? And you secure. And this is faster, guys, and it is painless. So you can try this, guys. You can try this for the summer. And you can add more length into it too, okay? So with this method, guys, even if your hair is long or short, you can try this method. Split the hair into 2, and then you're going to pull on both sides. Okay, pull on both sides, and then you take the other strand, and this is it, guys. This is it. So what you're going to do, take your thumb and your index finger and grab onto this part because it's already secure. So you just grab air, take the one that we put to sit. Look at it. And then go ahead and place it right here. And then we're ready to braid, okay? So what I'm gonna do, take the right strand, bring it over to the left, and then grab the middle over, take the left strand into the right, and you started to braid. Started to braid. And braid. And braid. And you continue to braid. And guys, you remember to braid until there is no more. Leave you braiding directly to the end of the hair. That when you put it in hot water, the bottom will be looking so straight and so nice, guys, okay? So remember to get to braid it all the way to the end. Okay, don't stop until you stop braiding right to the end of the hair. So I'm not gonna go all the way down here, but you can braid all the way down, guys. The reason why I'm not going all the way down is because I always have to undo to come again. Okay, so this is a little bit bigger than the other two. So if you love this size, you can use whatever. Let's go again. Let's go again. And what color shall we use this time, guys? You need purple. What color do you want us to use? Let's go. Let's go, guys. DNA in the building. Give it up for Nicoline. Thank you so much. Do you like to do B-R-A-N-D? Is it branding or braiding? I love to braid. Is it branding or braiding? So you probably made a mistake. Yes, guys. So what is the other color do you want us to use, guys? So remember, we are colorful over here. We can use two color. Purple. Oh, Rock say purple. Okay, we will purple up the place. Okay, let's go. Let's get some purple. Let me get some purple, guys. See the color that I have here. I'll be back there. The gray and green and, oh, the purple. Okay. I'm coming there, guys. I'm coming. Oh, the purple is all over the place. Okay. We have the color, like we have this purple. I don't have a lot of the purple. Let me see this one. And then this color. And then we have some darker purple, but we can use this though. We can use this though. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna brush the right out. Let me brush it out, okay? All right. So here it is, guys. It's like that because I normally use them, guys, and reuse, okay? So it's like this, and so I gotta brush it out. So let me brush it out. Thank you so much, DNA and Nadine. You can troll me today if you want. Give it up for Nadine in the building. Give it up for Nadine. Thank you guys so much for joining again. And I really do appreciate you guys, okay? And remember, guys, to brush your hair. Even if you take it out of the pocket, it's brand new. Brush it out so that your hair can be smooth, okay? You wouldn't have a lot of flyaways when you brushed it out, okay? So let's go, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this now, guys, and I'm going to use your natural hair as the third strand, okay? So if your hair, if probably your